say some things that are just meant to lose. What's that one thing keeping me away from you?
Well, hello there, we're back with another video. Today is gonna be one of those quarantine vlogs. I will be taking you guys along with me today to show you what we're up to. My baby boy is getting circumcised today. I felt so sad. I felt so bad for him, but I know he'll be alright because he's a champ. My baby is a champ, okay? You got this, baby. You got this. His dad will be going into the room with him just because you can only have one parent, and I'm not strong enough to take all that. Like I'll be crying in there like they're doing it to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the girls ready. So yeah, it's currently the next day. Yes, I'm still wearing the same shirt. But I just wanted to update you guys on what happened yesterday. It was very hectic. Like I said, his dad was supposed to go in with him, but his dad kept on sneezing because of like it's allergy seasons, and you know the AC and everything just didn't work out with him, and so I ended up going in there. Now that was a huge mistake, but when I got there, the doctor asked me, do you want to stay? Are you sure you can take it? That doctor didn't mind me staying in. Apparently parents are not supposed to be there when they're doing this, which is totally understandable. I see why the parents are not allowed to be in there, because let me tell you what happened. But when he started, yo, my heart sank. Tears just started falling down my cheeks. I don't know how that happened. I was just there like, man, what are you doing to my baby? Like I almost snatched him off that table. So when the doctor saw that, you know, I was crying, he was like, okay, you might want to wait in the lobby, because you know. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait in the lobby. So I went in the lobby, and I could still hear my baby scream. You guys, my heart was broke. When I tell you broken. When they were done, they came back to get me, and they were, you know, showing me how to like take care of it. Well, not really how to take care of it, basically just put Vaseline, and you know, he'll be fine in a couple of days and stuff like that. So that's what happened yesterday. So once we got back home, I wasn't really in the spirit of filming anything. I just, you know, wanted to cuddle with my baby, just making sure that he was good. And yeah, so here we are today. I still didn't do half of the things that I was supposed to do. I'm gonna go ahead and feed the girls while baby boy is sleeping over there. Their dad made them some noodles, so they love noodles. My kids. I know some of you may be wondering, but wait, why are you feeding these big girls? The reason why I'm feeding them is because number one, Zoe's a very picky eater, so I have to make sure that she eats well. And while I'm at it, why not feed Allison as well? Usually we let them eat by themselves. If like my husband was there, then he would like watch them, you know, make sure that they're eating well while I take care of the baby. Now, as you all probably already know, I had a baby. My baby's about 2 weeks old now, and so I'm on a baby schedule. So while he was sleeping, I just made sure that I fed them and make sure that they're okay, so I can be able to take care of him while they play or do other things. So that's just the reason why I'm feeding them, but usually we like to let them just eat by themselves. But yeah, that's the reason why. Just in case you were wondering, you know. Why is your sister crying? Why are you crying?
You have to play together. Look. Hold on. Mommy, I want to buy
Football. You want to do what?
No, football.
Okay, so my hair is overdue. I'm gonna take that one down tomorrow, and I will also be closing out the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Definitely join the family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless. I'll speak to you very, very soon. Peace.